What can you put in a dumpster? The answer seems kind of simple. Garbage, right? But there are plenty of rules as to what you can and can't throw into a dumpster. You can throw almost any non-hazardous waste or junk into a dumpster. This includes construction and home improvement debris, household junk, wooden furniture, electronics, yard waste, upholstered furniture. The following items are prohibited and cannot be thrown in a dumpster: adhesives, asbestos, contaminated soils and absorbents, ink and resins, medical waste, oils, fuels and propane tanks, paint and lacquers, undrained appliances, tires, aerosol cans, car batteries, railroad ties, and any other materials that are toxic, pose a significant safety hazard, or could damage the container. Finally, remember not to fill above the top rail as indicated on the dumpster. If the dumpster is overfilled, there may be an additional charge. If you're unsure about an item, please don't hesitate to contact us. That way you'll know for sure that your waste is being disposed of effectively, responsibly, and, most importantly, safely. Thanks for watching.